We're going to get all into Alphabet and Microsoft in just a second. Obviously, that's a big story of the day. But first, we've got some big trade alerts actually in tech land specifically. So we've got Josh, Weiss, and Jim all hitting the buy button today, but in different areas. So Josh, I want to start with you. You just bought Netflix here, down about 2%. Why'd you buy it? What are you seeing here? Is this a trade? Is this investment? Tell us what you're seeing.
So right now it's a trade. I've done this before with Netflix. When this stock blew up in, I think, April of 2022, it was, I think, like one of the best buying opportunities for a large cap growth name of the year. And it took a while. It wasn't like a V-shaped recovery. And I don't know that we'll get a V-shape here. But once again, the stock is blowing up because the quote-unquote long-term shareholders here continue to embarrass the brand. I can't believe that we saw a reaction like we did about them reducing the subscriber guidance. It's such a childish metric to begin with. It's people that don't own a business think that that's like an important thing, when in reality, the company is telling you, focus on revenue, focus on operating margin. The subscriber thing will be up and down. Those are no longer the KPIs. I think that's what a mature company should be telling the street, and that's what Sarandos and Peters had to say. So I gave it a week. I let it settle out. I wanted to see if the stock would hold its support, and that's exactly where it's trading. I can't see this screen. Patty, give me like a 3-year or even a 1-year chart. Take a look at this gap higher from the January earnings report, which was spectacular, by the way, just as this earnings report was. You see how perfectly the buyers came in right where that gap took place. So I think support should hold. It's not a long-term investment here. I just want to trade the overblown reaction. I do have a stop loss. I may not be in the stock if it continues to sell off. But I think watching the buyers come in where they did, I think the stock's okay here. It's not that they're not going to tell you how many subscribers they have. It's that they're going to tell you about the big milestones, not the noisy quarter-to-quarter data. And anyone that actually runs a business will tell you the number of clients is not a number. It's like it's a vanity metric, but revenue and operating margin, those are the numbers that really matter. And I think people will get over it, and I think the stock should be okay.